Good morning, children. Hope you're all safe and fine. Welcome to Maths class, children. Let's move on to today's topic, children. Children, last class we discussed about quick ways of addition in Unit 7, Information Processing, isn't it? So let's continue. And today we are going to discuss quick ways of subtracting. Here, we shall learn some tricks in subtraction also. We shall use the subtraction table to subtract small numbers. So, this subtraction table, it is used to subtract small numbers very quickly. Some facts in subtraction. We have learned these facts in subtraction earlier when we studied subtraction, isn't it? So, let's see it again. Subtracting 0 from a number. So, a number remains the same when you subtract 0 from it. For example, 21 minus 0, the answer is 21. 23 minus 0, the answer is 23. Isn't it? 24 minus 0, the answer is 24. So, as they said, a number remains the same when you subtract 0 from it, isn't it? 29 minus 0, 29. 12 minus 0, 12. Isn't it? So, children, complete the remaining numbers in this table. We'll go to next fact. Subtracting 1 from a number. When 1 is subtracted from a number, it gives a number before that number. We have discussed this earlier also, isn't it? If 1 is subtracted from a number, it gives a number before that number. For example, 21 minus 1. What is the before number of 21? It is 20, isn't it? So, that is the answer. 23 minus 1. What will be the before number of 23? 22, isn't it? So, 22 is the answer. 24 minus 1. What is the before number of 24? 23. 29 minus 1. Before number of 29 is 28. 12 minus 1. Before number of 12 is 11, isn't it? Okay. Now, moving to the next fact, subtracting 2 from a number. When 2 is subtracted from a number, the number moves backward 2 steps. Isn't it? I have done this earlier, backward 2 steps. For example, 21 minus 2. So, move backward 2 steps. 21 minus 2. So, 20, 19. So, 19 is the answer. 23 minus 2. Move 2 steps backward. 22, 21. Isn't it? 24 minus 2. 23, 22. Next is 29 minus 2. 28, 27. 12 minus 2. 10. Now, Subtracting 10 from a number. When 10 is subtracted from a number, its ones place remains the same and digit in tens place is decreased by 1. That is, moves to the previous number. As we saw in the addition, here also the ones place remains the same. It is a two-digit number. Ones place remains the same and the tens place keeps on decreasing by 1. That is to the previous number. For example, children, 21 minus 10. 21 minus 10. What will be the answer? 11. Isn't it? Here, see, the ones place remains the same. The tens place decreased by 1. It goes to the previous number. It moves to the previous number. Now, 23 minus 10. What is 23 minus 10? It is 13. The ones place remains the same and the tens place decreased by 1. 24 minus 10. What do we get? The ones place remains the same. Ones place is 4, isn't it? So it remains the same. So the tens place 2. It is decreased by 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 14. 29 minus 10. 19. 12 minus 10. 2. Okay, children. Now, subtracting same numbers. You know this already. Subtracting a number from itself will give the difference 0. When two numbers are same and when they get subtracted, the answer will be 0. Here, 978 minus 978 is equals to 0. Now, subtracting numbers ending with 0. See here, 340 minus 229. This 340 minus 229, isn't it? So, subtract 1 from both the numbers. From 340, subtract 1. From 229, subtract 1. It becomes 340 becomes 339. 229 becomes 228. Now, you subtract 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. See, both subtraction gives the same answer, but by doing this, it is very easy. Isn't it? In this, we have to borrow, isn't it? Borrow a number and then we have to subtract. Little complicated, but this is very easy, simple subtraction. Isn't it, children? Look at this. 1000 minus 574. Subtract minus 1 from 1000, 999. 574 minus 1, 573. Now subtract 426. So here also 426. Instead of doing with borrowing and with so complicated subtraction, we can do it in very simple subtraction. Okay, children, as we subtract 1 from both the numbers, the answer of the new numbers and questions are same. Children, here so many sums are given. So what you have to do is, the numbers that ends with 0, wherever you get sum ends with 0, you have to subtract by minus 1 and you have to do the sum. Children, this first sum, you change it as 540. Okay, children, 540. So it comes 539209. Okay, so you can subtract easily 9 minus 9. It comes 5 After subtracting -1, 539. Wait, children, I will erase and show you. So 539, 539, 3, 9 minus 209, 2, 0, 9. So 9 minus 9, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, children. 0, 3, 3. So these are all homeworks for you, children. Complete this. With this, we are completing our term 3 portions. From next class, you won't be receiving video, children. From next class, you will be receiving worksheets, assessment worksheets. Do well, children. Best wishes for you. Thank you, children.